Hi students, Ellarigu Namaskara. Welcome to ninth preparatory examination for the lessons Our Environment and Sustainable Management of Natural Resources. So without delaying much, let us start the examination. So the first question is, it is important to make small checks on dams across the flooded gullies because they options hold water for irrigation, they look good, they hold water and prevent soil erosion, hold water permanently. Among the four options, select the right answer. It is important to make small checks on the dams across the flooded gullies. What is the reason? Okay, let us go for next question. The important message conveyed by Chipko movement is options to involve the community in forest conservation efforts, to ignore the community in forest conservation efforts, to cut down forest trees for developmental activities. Government agencies have unquestionable right to order destruction of trees in forest. See, among the four options, what is the important message conveyed by the Chipko movement? Read the options carefully and then answer. Okay, hope you have completed the answer. The next question, a successful forest conservation strategy should involve options protection of animals at highest trophic level, protection of only consumers, protection of herbivores, comprehensive program to protect all physical and biological components. A successful forest conservation strategy should involve. Read the options carefully and write which of the following will help in conserving the forest. Okay, let us go for next question. The eco-friendly activity among them. You have to select the eco-friendly activity among the four options. Options are using car for transportation, using poly bags for shopping, using dyes for coloring cloths, using windmills to generate power for irrigation. Among the four, which is the eco-friendly activity? Okay, this is a very easy question. Hope you all got the answer because most of the question I have revised. Next question. The main cause for abundant coliform bacteria in river Ganga is, and the options are disposal of unburnt corpses into water, discharge of effluents from electroplating industries, washing of cloths, or all the above. Among four options, which is the main cause for abundant coliform bacteria in the river Ganga? Frequently asking question is this. This will be asked very frequently. Coliform bacteria is a very important topic. River Ganga is a very important topic. Yes? Let us go for next question. Select the incorrect statement. See, be very careful when you are selecting the incorrect statement. Among the four options, you have to select the incorrect statement. Economic development is linked to environmental conservation is the first one. Sustainable development encourages development for current generation and conservation of resources for future generations. Next, sustainable development does not consider the viewpoints of stakeholders. Next, sustainable development is a long planned and persistent development. Among the four options, which statement is not correct? That is incorrect. Think before you select the right answer. Understand each and every word in given statement. Okay? Okay, let us go for next question. If you need some time, you can pause the same question and you can write the answer. Next question. The quality of environment can be improved by options: deforestation, overuse of natural environment, erosion, or conservation. The question is the quality of environment can be improved by. See among the four options which will help to improve the quality of environment. Very simple question. Yes. Let us go for next question. Which among the following is an eco-friendly activity? Options: making use of automobiles, making use of polybags for shopping, making use of dyes for coloring the cloths, making windmill to generate power for irrigation. Among the four options, which is eco-friendly activity? That means environmental friendly activity. Okay, hope you got the answer. Let us move for next question. Which of the following does not lead to the depletion of groundwater? Options: establishing thermal power plants, cultivation of high yielding variety of crops, process of deforestation, process of afforestation. Which of the following does not lead to the depletion of groundwater among the four options? Choose your right answer. Choose your right answer. Yes, it's a very simple question. Okay, let us go for next question. Government launched the Ganga Action Plan project in the year 1985. The main purpose of this project was to: options: build new dams over the Ganga River, make its water pollution free, utilize the river water for irrigation purposes, promote the growth of water animals like fish in the river. Government launched GAP, that is Ganga Action Plan, in the year 1985. Even you have to remember this year. They may ask, what is the main purpose of this project? You have to identify. Among the four options, choose your right answer. Okay. Next question. Excessive exposure of humans to UV rays results in options: damage to immune system, damage to lungs, skin cancer, peptic ulcer. Choose the right answer among the four options. Excessive exposure of human to UV rays results in. It's a very simple question. Okay, hope you wrote the answer. Yes. The next question. Which of the following radiations is responsible for the conversion of atmospheric oxygen to ozone? Options are gamma radiations, cosmic radiations, infrared radiations, ultraviolet radiations. Among the four radiations, which of the following radiations is responsible for the conversion of atmospheric oxygen to ozone? Okay, next question is which of the following substances will not be converted to compost when added in a composting pit? Options are waste paper, fruit and vegetable peels, human and animal excreta, plastic bags. Among the four options, which of the following substances will not be converted to compost when it is added in a composting pit? ಯಾವುದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, simple question. Let us go for the next question. The main purpose of constructing water harvesting structures is to: option, hold rainwater on the surface of the earth, use water for irrigation, use water for fish farming, recharge the groundwater. Among the four options, the main purpose of constructing water harvesting structures. Choose the right answer. Okay, let us go for next question. A group that contains only biodegradable substances among the following is: options, polythene, wood, leather, leather, detergent, plastic, wood, grass, leather, paper, bakelite, grass. Among the four options, which of the option contain only the biodegradable substances? Okay, let us move ahead. Next question. Which of the following is the biodiversity hotspot? Which of the following is the biodiversity hotspot? Option: deserts, rivers, oceans, forests. Among the four options, which of the following is the biodiversity hotspot? Okay, the next question. A product that can no more be used for original purpose but use it for some other useful purpose is called: option, recycle, reduce, reuse, repurpose. A product that can no more be used for original purpose but use it for some other useful purpose. What do we call it as? It was also asked in the examination. Even in the model paper it is asked. Yes, hope you have completed. The next question, the watershed management. Options: increases production and income of watershed community, increases droughts and floods, decreases the biodiversity of downstream reservoirs, increases deforestation. So among the four options, which is related to the watershed management? Okay, let me move for the next question. Acid rain is caused due to options: carbon oxides, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, both B and C. Acid rain is caused due to. Acid rain is caused due to. Choose your right answer. Yes, next question. Disposal plastics plates should not be used because options: they are made up of lightweight material, they are made up of toxic materials, they are made up of biodegradable materials, they are made up of non biodegradable materials. Among the four options, among the four options, disposable plastic plate should not be used. What is the reason for it? Okay, choose your right answer. Okay, I hope you found the answer for all the 20 questions. If you have finished writing all the answers, kindly forward in the Telegram group. Once again, I'm requesting students, you are following. Most of the students are individually forwarding the answers. Please don't put in the group. Don't send in the group. So it may take long time for me for the correction. Tomorrow, I will conduct examination for two physics lesson. The first one is the light lesson and the second one is the sources of energy. For these two lessons, you will be having examination tomorrow. So the marks will be 30 marks. Instead of 20 marks, you will be having 30 marks for two lessons. Okay, prepare well for tomorrow's examination. All the best for everyone. Keep studying.